I've got restrictions in my neck and my back and ribs that are pretty locked up.
Yeah.
And while you're praying, I could feel my ribs moving.
Wow.
Yeah, like the muscles releasing, and I felt my ribs cracking. And I came in here with pain from here and down here, all resonating down my arm. And all I have is a little bit of pain there. And that's it.
Off that shoulder.
Heals the sick, he heals the lame, and he says you can heal them too in Jesus' name.